and today we're going to show you how to make a basketball shoe. Firstly, what you need is a plastic or a paper cup. You're going to need an orange ball or a white ball, but this looks more like a basketball, and we're going to make it even more look like a basketball. I'll tell you how in a minute. Then you're also going to need some dental floss. Not to put in your teeth, but we're going to tie this with our paper cup and our ping pong ball. Now this one's just for adults only, but you will need a pretty big needle, alright? And you'll see why soon. Can you guess why? I think you can.
I want to draw.
Yep, and Lincoln's keen to draw. I think he likes crafts, don't you, Lincoln? Now this is permanent marker, so be careful, alright? We'll do it in one moment, but he's already too excited. And you will need an orange permanent marker as well, okay? Alright, let's get started. So, first things first, Lincoln, you're going to, you can make that into a basketball. And while you're doing that, I'm going to start to make the rim of the paper cup orange. Okay, so colouring it in so it looks like a basketball hoop. You're doing a great job there, buddy. Now, do I see you're wearing a Melbourne United top? Do you go for Melbourne United, Link? Who's your favourite player?
Tyson Walker.
Tyson Walker. Wow, that's cool.
Done.
That is actually so good. I don't think I would have been able to do much better than that. That is unreal. High five. Nice. You're now going to, if you need some help, let me know. You're going to put some lines through the hoop. What do you reckon? Do you think you could do that? So I thread the floss through the needle. Okay. Do you want some help, buddy? Okay. Basically, again, with an adult, boys and girls, I'm gonna go through the bottom of the cup with the needle. Boing! And then I'm going to get it out like that. Okay, now I am gonna tie a knot on the end of it. Now, tell me, are you going to school next year? Oh, that's so exciting. Are you gonna be in prep? And have you already made some new friends? When you went?
Hello.
Hello? That's a nice name.
She's going to my school.
Oh my gosh.
And she's in my same kindergarten.
No way. You're so lucky that you already know someone before you go to school. Now, can I have the ping pong ball? I'm going to thread through the awesome basketball that Link did. Now, this is again very fiddly, so I know I've said it a lot, but guys, we need an adult here, okay? Why is that not working? Biscuits.
Just push it in so hard.
Trying, mate, trying. Okay, so what I've done is I put the needle through the ping pong ball, and then I'm going to tie a knot on the other side so that I can make sure it doesn't come out. Guys, we did it! Now let's play. Oh my goodness. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, good try. 3, 2.
Rectangle.
Oh, cool. 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah. Oh, that was funny. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh,